This truck is an absolute mess. Okay, so as I get started with the pressure washer here, I'll first get all the snow blasted off the truck, and then as I move down to the door, with the truck being black, it can be a little hard to tell how much dirt is on the paint, so it's clear now that this truck is actually really dirty. And if you're wondering, this is only the second ram that I've ever had in, with the last one being a little over a year ago. Okay, so getting the truck painted white with nice thick foam, I'll go around with my Detail Geek boar's hair detail brush to agitate in all the crevices like around the emblems, grille, and of course behind the gas door, which is somewhere that most people would overlook. Turning to these dirty floor mats now, and I'll first spray a liberal amount of my carpet solution on, and then I'm using my medium green drill brush here as these mats definitely warrant the extra agitating ability, and then starting with the pressure washer, and it's almost hard to believe just how much dirt was in these things. I'll turn my attention inside now, and I'll start by removing the seats as I couldn't have done a proper job with them still in the truck, and taking a look at what I'm dealing with here. And yeah, I definitely know this interior is likely going to take me 8 to 10 hours. Now you've probably noticed that there's a fair bit of dog hair stuck in these carpets, so using the lily brush is the easiest way to get the trapped hair pulled up to the surface so it can be sucked up. And if any of you out there struggle with pet hair, the lily brush is your answer, and it will be the best $13 you've ever spent. You can find them on my website at detailgeekautocare.com, where worldwide shipping is available, and they also make great gifts for people with pets. Okay, so it's time now to tackle these filthy seats, and with a vehicle as abused as this one was, it definitely makes it a lot harder and sometimes impossible to get it looking perfect again. So me being a perfectionist, that means I'm going to be doing my very best to get it perfect, but I do have to accept the fact that sometimes things are too damaged to look new again. Moving up to the driver's footwell now, which was one of the dirtiest areas. And if you've been wondering which extractor I'm using that has practically been working magic on this truck, well, it's Abyssal Spot Clean Professional and is by far the best extractor on the market at its price point. So for those of you who enjoy detailing your own vehicle, it is something I would highly recommend, as it can also be used inside the house too. So if you're interested, the link is down in the description for you. Here's the bucket and a half of super dirty water pulled from the truck. Gross. Okay, so since this interior is a total mess, using the steamer here is the best way to tackle it. So I'll first start by hitting all the crevices without an attachment on the steamer, as it will give me a higher velocity blast of steam and it can easily loosen stuff up. And then for all the flat surfaces, like where all the drywall mud is, I'll throw on the brush attachment, which can also easily loosen that up so I can just wipe it down after. And for the speaker grill, again, the steamer is the only way you're getting that clean, so I'll be sure to spray it at an angle to limit the amount of steam getting behind it. Although provided you work quick, there is absolutely no issue doing this around speakers or electrical switches. Okay, so once again, with a cup holder this dirty and gross, the steamer is the best way to get it clean. So with some APC sprayed on, I'll throw the brush attachment on, and after less than a minute, it's honestly looking brand new again. Okay, with some sealant applied to the paint, I'm going to take care of this front bumper now, and I'm using some Adams metal polish here, so with an orange cutting pad on my polisher, I'll get to work, and this polish definitely makes quick work with this corrosion, as you guys can see, as it's going to look brand new again with just a few minutes of work.